Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S86 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this phone. Now, right now the phone is trying to load up the lock screen, just telling me to verify the Google account and the previously used patterns. So there we go, it's now visible. So those are the two ways you can, or I could, unlock my device right now. But now, assuming we don't know either of those, we will bypass this. Now for the bypass, we will be needing one thing, which is a SIM card. Now on that SIM card you should have some kind of contact. It doesn't really matter what kind of contact, or it doesn't even matter if it's real or not. So yeah. Anyway, additionally I am connected to Wi-Fi, and you should be as well, which you can see right here. I'm gonna back out to the first page right over here, now that I have connected to my Wi-Fi, and you should do the same. And you want to now pop in your SIM card. There we go. Now I do have a pin on my SIM card, so I will need to quickly confirm it. There we go. And from here we're gonna progress by selecting emergency call, then emergency info, do that twice. Now we want to select the edit button, add contact, and we're just gonna select any kind of contact. It doesn't really matter which one. I'm gonna do one thing just because I think it's a little bit overblown. There we go. Hopefully you can see better now. So once you have added that one contact, you want to tap on it, select allow, and from here we want to tap on share, and you're gonna now hold Gmail. Now make sure you hold it. This will then bring up this window, and you want to select app info. From here we will select notifications, advanced, additional settings in the app, and the three dots, help and feedback. And then in the search bar you will search for use Morse code, so it comes up as a suggested. I'm gonna click on the video, give it a second, and it will come up with this three dot option right here. So you want to click on it, and we're not really looking for share, we're looking for something else. Oh, there we go. So as you see, you tap on the three dots and then you select whatever I just selected. So from here, let's see, we're gonna minimize it by just sliding down. Gonna then select the account icon, and from here, settings, how about Google privacy policy, accept and continue, and no thanks. And once we can actually use our browser, we will simply navigate to HardReset.Info/bypass. Now I'll write it down, and if you need a moment to repeat it, to type it in yourself, just pause the video. So now would be the time to pause. So from here, we're gonna scroll down to Settings app. You wanna just click on it, and we're gonna navigate to Security and Location. Unless we don't have such an option. There we go, security. So this is a little bit different. But there we go. So we have our screen pinning. That's what we're looking for. So it's under security, screen pinning. You want to enable it. And then make sure you also check on lock device when unpinning. And this will allow us to set up a screen lock. Now, as you've seen at the beginning of the video, the way I could verify the old user was using the pattern as one of the methods. So right here I'm going to select something entirely different, like a pin. Now, for the simplicity of the guide, I recommend selecting the same exact thing. So I'm going to choose pin, and I'll make it 1, 2, 3, 4. And I recommend you do the same. Let's select confirm. I'm going to skip this. And from here, quickly make sure what I need to do next. So now that we have added our pattern, or well, pin in this case, you want to hold your power key and select restart. And additionally, I'm also going to take out the SIM card. It will just force me to put in pattern or pin for no reason, so I just want to take it out. Now, because we did set up a pin, we need to now unlock the device using set pin. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will now progress through the setup. Now, as you can see, it changed the unlocking method, the verification process, from pattern to pin. Now this pin is, well, the exact same one that we have set up before. Now what happened here is Android, at least at this stage, was a little bit dumb, and it could only keep in memory what I would assume only one unlocking method. So if you had like pattern and you set up a pin, it will override. Even though it was a verification method, it will override that verification method with the new one. So we're just gonna type in 1, 2, 3, 4, there we go, and voila. I'm gonna skip signing in. Now it is still recommended to perform a factory reset of the device through settings. Now I need to apparently re-enter my PIN. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna skip adding fingerprint. Okay, so once we have access to our home screen, you want to open up your settings, scroll all the way down to system right over here, and then select reset options. Erase all data, factory reset, erase all data. It asks us again for a PIN, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then tap on the erase all data once more. Now once you do so right now, after entering your PIN, this will begin a factory reset of the device. It will basically remove again everything, and once the process is completed after like 1 to maybe 3 minutes, you will be back in the setup screen. Now from there, you can set up your phone however you want. The device will be fully unlocked at that point. But it is advised to do this last part just because there might be still some kind of leftover information from the old account. So like the, for instance, Google account, that was one of the ways of unlocking the device. So it is recommended to do this. Now I'm not going to go through it just to kind of save on time. It's not like it's going to provide any additional info past pressing the button. So this would conclude the bypass, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.